Regardless of price, the size and form factor of a Bluetooth speaker should be one of your first considerations. In comparison to someone looking for a portable speaker to take to the park, someone replacing their home stereo will probably want a larger model. A Bluetooth speaker will almost always be more durable than a piece of home audio equipment, but not all Bluetooth speakers are created equal. Let's move on to the best inexpensive Bluetooth speakers for your requirements. 5. Sony SRSXB13. The Sony SRSXB13 was chosen as the top Bluetooth car speaker on our list of the best Bluetooth speakers. Even though this model is smaller, it still has a lot of the great qualities that distinguish it from its bigger sibling. This model's portability virtually anywhere also gives you a wide range of options for storing it in your car. For added volume, you can hang the speaker using the multi-way strap. Even though this isn't a stereo speaker, Sony uses a specialized sound diffusion processor to amplify the sound. However, you can connect two SRSXB13 speakers for stereo sound, just like the bigger model. The Sony SRSXB13 can still withstand a trip to the beach as long as you take care of it, despite not being as durable as some of the other speakers we're looking at. While a splash won't be a problem because this speaker is IP67 rated water and dust resistant, try to keep it out of the water. You shouldn't be concerned about the speaker running out of battery during the day as long as you charge it overnight. The SRS Battery XB13's life is rated by Sony to last up to 16 hours, but actual battery life will vary depending on how loud the volume is set. Although the SRS XB13 only comes in a few colors other than black, you do have some choices. These colors include taupe, powder blue, light blue, and coral pink. 4. Anker Soundcore Flare Mini. Anker Soundcore Flare Mini combines a tough design with appealing looks and functional features. With a total of 10 watts of power and two 5-watt neodymium drivers, the Soundcore Flare Mini offers 360-degree sound. These dual drivers combine with passive radiators for improved low end to create a small speaker that sounds surprisingly large. The speaker is excellent for parties thanks to its 360-degree sound, and you won't have to worry about anything going wrong thanks to its sturdy construction. Because the Soundcore Flare Mini is IPX7 rated, you have up to 30 minutes to retrieve it from the pool without worrying about water damage. The Audio Fireworks feature, an LED ring light at the bottom of the speaker, is one of the Soundcore Flare Mini's more distinctive features. This will glow and pulse in time with the music, giving your audio a visual component. Don't worry about the battery draining during this light show. Anker claims that depending on volume, the Soundcore Flare Mini can provide up to 12 hours of playback time because LEDs don't consume a lot of power. 3. Anker Soundcore. The availability of waterproof Bluetooth speakers has increased, but many of them forego stereo or other audio features in favor of water resistance. You can get water resistance without sacrificing audio quality with the Anker Soundcore. Just by looking at the features, it is obvious that Anker designed the Soundcore with bass in mind. The speaker's bass port, which also contributes to improved low end, is mentioned prominently after the bass-up digital signal processing (DSP) that it employs. Anker promotes the Soundcore as being IPX5 rated for water resistance. Although IPX5 might not seem like much different from IPX4, there is a significant difference. While an IPX4 speaker can only withstand a small amount of water exposure, an IPX5 speaker can withstand water jets. It's a major improvement. Bluetooth 5.0 is a feature of the Anker Soundcore. The Soundcore's range of up to 66 feet, as opposed to the older Bluetooth version's range of about 33 feet, is one of the main benefits of using the newer Bluetooth version. 2. JBL Clip 3. The JBL Clip 3 is the ideal choice for you if you prefer to be mobile and aren't looking for a speaker to use at home. As the name suggests, this speaker has a built-in carabiner-style clip that enables you to attach it to practically anything, including a belt loop and your backpack. The JBL Clip 3 is not only lightweight and portable. This speaker is IPX7 water resistant because it is designed to travel with you. JBL claims that you could fully submerge this speaker in water for up to 30 minutes if you wanted to. Even though you shouldn't necessarily do that, the Clip 3 will be fine if you drop it into a river or pool. You don't need to grab your phone when you hear an incoming call because there are controls on board and a built-in microphone. You can answer and end calls using the controls, but you can also change the volume, a feature you won't always find on Bluetooth speakers, regardless of price. When it comes to battery life, JBL has crammed a surprisingly strong battery into the compact design of this speaker. You can get up to 10 hours of playback time on a full charge. 1. DOS SoundBox Touch. The DOS SoundBox Touch is a Bluetooth speaker to consider whether you're not sure exactly what you're looking for in one or you just want a great quick recommendation. It sounds great, is feature-rich, and is reasonably priced. The SoundBox Touch, unlike some Bluetooth speakers, is fully stereo and produces 12 watts per channel. This eliminates the concern that some songs will sound odd when played through speakers as opposed to headphones. The speaker is waterproof to IPX4 standards throughout and has a sturdy plastic enclosure. This speaker cannot be submerged, but you need not be concerned if water splashes on it occasionally. The amount of battery life you receive from any Bluetooth speaker depends on how loud you are listening. According to the manufacturer, if you keep the volume at 50% or lower, the DOS SoundBox Touch can provide up to 20 hours of playback time. You have in the description the link of all the products. I hope you liked the video. Goodbye.